Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, a channel which tries to make mathematics joyful for you and a good learning experience so that you develop that aptitude which is required to crack the competitive exams and to get into the depth of everything. When you dive into something, you realize how beautiful mathematics is, but when you take it as a burden, you think it is all about formulas and calculations, then it is not going to work. So friends, how do we make mathematics joyful? How do we do it quickly in the mind? It has been a horrible question for so many different, uh, you know, uh, students who belong to like even the medical community. They think numbers are little difficult to handle. Students who have had a very poor experience at school level, basic level, they think that mathematics is a scary subject. So let's try to make it fun for you. Adding, when you think about adding numbers in the mind, very difficult. If you commit a very small error, uh, everything goes wrong. So addition is a skill, and when you add numbers while writing the numbers one below the other, there are some very important things which you can do, which Vedic maths teaches us, and if you follow that, your answers are not going to be wrong, and there are very less chances of making errors. So the intention of this video is to show you how we can add large numbers smartly. Watch a complete video. It is very important that you stay tuned till the last moment so that I can tell you everything that works and you can actually implement that plan to enhance your skills. So friends, ready? Adding large numbers smartly. Now addition is actually the first chapter we have given in the ultimate guide to speed maths. See, this is the combo, and I'll show you the cover page here. See, this is the first part, the volume 1. It has 108 video links, 2400 practice questions, which I'm going to show you right now in front of you. And then volume 2, 1300 practice questions. Whichever thing you are targeting, NTSC or SOF or IMO or Aryabhat Ganit Challenge, hundreds of school Olympiads are there, and then placement exams, getting into universities, LIC, then banking, railways, what not, CAT, MAT, CLAT, you can target anything using these speed maths books, and they are ready to be delivered. Fresh stock has arrived, and you can actually order them by sending me a message on WhatsApp. This is my personal WhatsApp number, 9896369963. I love to answer to your queries myself. So get yourself this. If you are a parent, give your student a chance, give your child a chance rather to excel in studies and enjoy the summer vacation which is coming up. Okay. So friends, adding large numbers. Now I'll tell you where the students go wrong. Suppose I have a question where I have 87, 79, 26 and let's take 54 being added. Okay. Now I've taken a simple example first, and I'll show you how the example can be extrapolated to very large numbers of 4 digit and 5 digit also. And you get these questions in banking exams, right? Addition, simplification, BODMAS. So basic skill of addition is really important, and how much time you take to crack these questions. We have lots of answers in abacus, in the Vedic maths and mental maths techniques. So I am going to discuss one of the techniques which I use personally. See, when I add the unit digits, I don't go beyond 18. I don't add 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4. That's where the problem is. The students are doing all sorts of calculations. They are having all the sum of unit digits as maybe 47, 48, and that's where they are committing an error. I don't go beyond 18 because I don't want to add more than 2 numbers at a time. The carry forward, or something which has to be carry forward to the previous row or the previous column of the numbers, right? That should not be more than 1. That is the skill. See what I mean. Now here we have 7 plus 9, 16, right? So I am writing here, but this is mental maths. I will remember the 6 and I will put a dot in the previous column showing that I have carried forward the 1. And 9 plus 7 is 16. I don't want to do 16 plus 6 now. I want to remember the 6 and carry forward the 1. Now 6 and 6, 12. So 2, carry forward the 1. See, I am putting a dot anywhere in the previous column. And then 2 plus 4, 6. There we go. We don't have to go beyond 18. Now 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So I'll remember 6 and put a dot here. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So remember the 4 and put the dot. So 1 plus 1, 2. 246 is the answer. Now at the first glimpse of it, you will feel like, oh, traditional maths is much more easier because you are used to doing that. But once you get used to this, you will see how many errors can be avoided. Let me show you 3-digit numbers. Suppose I do 547, 386, 654 and 968, and I have to add these 4 numbers, right? Now when you see the question, it is like big numbers, right? It is not that easy to get it right. So what will I do? See, 7 plus 6, 13, 3, 1 dot. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So 15 means 5 and 1 dot, right? I'll put dot anywhere. If I'm writing 5 here, I will not put a dot here. I'll put a dot here only. So 5 comes here, right? Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. So remember the 3, put a dot. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Put a dot, 5. And then 9 plus 1, 10. Put a dot. So 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So put a dot, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And then 1 plus 1, 2. 2,555 is the answer. See, now you must be feeling little bit more comfortable, right? I'll take big numbers, 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, maybe for the sake of demonstration that this can be done. And this actually is a chapter in this volume number 1. So if I show you add and subtract 10x faster, this is the chapter number 1. And you open any page on this, look at this, addition of decimals. So we have demonstrated the trick using 1, 2, 3 different examples. And then we have the QR codes. Look at this. The QR codes is you scan it and you play the video so that you can understand how this trick is applied. And then we have the challenge zone. The challenge zone is for practicing the trick. So everything in the textbook itself. And if the child is, look at the number of questions. See, we have given big questions here, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5-digit numbers to be added. And if the child practices all this, and the wonderful skills can be developed. And you want to see the answer key? See the answer key here, wherein we have given the complete answers for verification. So wonderful compilation. It's a research work for all of you. So get a hold of a copy of this before the stock runs out. And this is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. And if you trust Amazon more than me, then you can go for the links which are given in the description of this video. Amazon also helps us, right? So friends, let's take 4-digit numbers. 7, 2, 9, 5, 3, 4, 8, 6, 6, 3, 9, 2 and 5, 4, 6, 3. Okay, so we are going to add this. 6 plus 5, 11, 1, put a dot. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 9 plus 1, 10 means 0, put a dot. 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 7, put a dot. 7 plus 6, 13, put a dot, 3. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11, put a dot, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6. And then 7 plus 3, 10, put a dot, 0. 1, 7, 12. 12 means 2 and 2. 2, 2, 6, 3, 6 is the answer. Now I'll give you a DIY question so that you can try this skill and see how quickly I did that. I did not count above 18. Okay. So test yourself with this question. 7, 2, 8, 6, 4, 9, 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 1, 1, 2 and 5 and 5, 8, 8, 7, 8. So you need to tell me in the comment box below, is this working for you and did you find this useful or not? So friends, go for that amazing speed maths guides which we have created specially for you. If you are a parent, gift your child this amazing combo so that they can upskill themselves and utilize the time during summer vacations. And then we have the description containing the Amazon links, so you can purchase that combo from there also. So I'll wait for your comments. DIY question has been given. Okay, all the best.